What's up, guys? It's your girl Kaya Trades, and today I have a quick video for you. A lot of you guys have been asking me how I take partial profits off my trades, so I just wanted to hop onto the charts and show you guys how I do that every single day I come to the charts. Let's go ahead and hit the charts.
Speak on it and I make it happen. Want this one, hit that one. Sweet ones, bad ones, double it, add some. Speak on it and I make it happen. Want this one, hit that one.
All right, guys, it's a pretty simple thing to do to take off your partials. It's actually just easy math. So we're going to go over this example right here. We can already see that price broke a high right here, giving us the idea to write out a demand zone. So now all I'm doing is waiting for price to come down to the demand zone, tap it, and give me a break of candle to enter. Let's see if we can get that. Price did come and tap our zone. It never gave us a break of candle. Let's see if it'll give us one now. Okay, my stop loss is going to be at the bottom of the zone. My 1-to-1 is right here, which is ideally where I want my first partials taken. I've already earned this in the market, so my goal is to take what I've already even earned. So we're going to use our replay tool. We're going to add a trade on right here. I'm going to look to enter into this position. Let's say I have 5 contracts. I'm not necessarily going to move my take profit just yet, but I am going to move my stop loss and place that buy order. If the market goes ahead and goes and breaks this candle's high, I will get into the trade, but this is our 1-to-1 right here. So I want to go to the same area that I took my trade, and because I'm taking a buy, in order for me to get out of the trade, I need to sell. So I'm going to sell, let's say 3 contracts here. So I'm going to take my little number and do 1, 2, 3. Now I've taken 3 contracts off. If this hits 3 contracts off, I will have 2 more contracts left on. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. So when I get to my 1-to-2, way up here, the only things I'll have left on my trade to take out is 2 more contracts. So then I'm going to sell again because, again, I'm buying right now, and I'm going to take off the final 2 contracts. Let's see what happens when this trade plays out. Okay, we get tagged into the trade. Let's see if we can get that 1-to-1. Okay, we got experiencing a little bit of drawdown, super normal. Let's see. All right, so once price came and smacked off my 3 contracts out of my entire 5, it left me with 2 contracts. I only have 2 contracts left. Let's see if we can snag that. And then just beautifully, oh, not yet. Oh, not yet. All right, we're just gonna skip on through it. Beautifully, price came and smashed all my contracts, and now I'm out of this trade. Let's say I took this same trade, but I did not have my correct numbers. Let's see what would happen. So we're going to use bar replay again, and we'll go back. I'm going to put up my entry point. We got the top of the zone. We didn't quite break candle there. Let's see if we'll break candle here. This is exactly where it just broke candle. All right, so now my 1-to-1 is here. Same thing as last time. I'm going to enter a buy position. Let's buy for 5 again. All right, and then move our stop loss down. All right, from here, I'm going to put on, let's say 4 contracts that I want to take off. So I'm going to sell because I entered my position to buy. So I'm going to put 4 contracts off to sell here. And then at my 1-to-2, I'll take off another 2 contracts. Notice this does not equal 5. 2 plus 4 is not 5, but I'm going to do it anyways to show you guys. So let's just see the same thing happen. We got into the trade, beautiful, we're up. Experience a little drawdown, normal. Okay, price took off. Now, as you guys can see, I only have 1 contract left. Let's see what happens when I don't have the correct math when taking partials off. Okay, we're gonna go all the way. Guys, now I am in the red. I was just green and I just had green profits, but now price is still going up like I thought it would, and I am in the negative. That is because now I have a sell position on because I had too many contracts to take off my buy position. Once it imbalances, now you'll have stuff left over. So if I let this play out and I don't catch it, now the market is going up and I'm losing all the profits that I had originally. That's not what we want, so we want to make sure our math is correct. Let's find a sell opportunity and then we'll do the same exact thing. All right, so we can see on my screen, price is making some very bullish price action. We have a strong break to the downside right here. So now I can create my supply zone. Beautiful. Now all I have to do is wait for it to come back and give me a break of candle to enter. Let's see if we can get that. Price has finally made its way back down to our zone and we got the break of candle there. I'm going to slow it down just a bit so we can actually take this trade together. All right, first things first, we're going to put on our sell position so we can know where we want our 1-to-1. Oh, kind of right off in there. Perfect. So I'm going to go over here. And because I'm taking a sell position, we all know that I will need to buy to get out of this trade. So let's do the same number, 5. Move my stop loss and my stop loss alone. And then let's hit that sell button. Now, once I get here, I will go ahead and go to my buy now. I'm going to buy, let's buy 2 contracts off this time and let 3 run. Who knows? Whatever you choose. Me personally, I like to take most contracts off because again, I've already earned this win. Let's go ahead and secure it. But just for this example, we'll just buy 2. And then we'll move our, disregard. Then we'll move our TP tool to TP2 and take off the rest to equal to 5. So we're going to take off 3 buy contracts right here. Up 1, a buy right there. Let's see this trade play out. We did in fact get tagged into the trade. Let's see if we can smash TP1. A little bit of drawdown here, but that's okay. Price tagged me out. I'm now only 3 contracts left in the trade. I have 3 to take off. If it smashes my TP2, I will be completely out of the trade. And beautiful, just like that, I've earned all my profits. If it would have came and stopped me out, I just would have been break even on the day. And now we're going to try the same thing, but with too many contracts. I want you guys to understand if you have too many contracts on when you're taking profits off and it hits your final profit, you're going to be in the negative in another trade that you probably didn't want to be in. So let's try this one more time. Okay, let's say we're going to get tagged into the trade for a sell. We're going to sell 5. Oh, not just yet. Move our stop loss. Always trade with the stop loss. If you're not trading with the stop loss, comment below so I can yell at you because unacceptable. Okay, we're going to go down to our 1-to-1 first. Okay, we're going to take off 4 contracts here. So since we're selling, we're going to buy to get out of the position. We're going to buy 4 contracts to get out and then we will take off another 4 contracts. So let's see what would happen if we take off 4 more buy contracts right here. All right, let's play it out. All right, I got tagged into the trade. Okay, we got profits taken off. I technically only have 1 contract left, but I'm going to just accidentally buy 4 to get out. And guys, as you guys see, even though price is still going in the direction that I took my original trade, I am now in the negative. We really want to make sure, oh, well, now I went back in the positive. That's a blessing. Oh, wow. But you guys get the gist. We want to make sure that we are only taking off the perfect amount of contracts. If we don't, and price just continues in our same direction and goes down, then we'll probably lose all that money that we earned. Fortunately, in this case, it went up a couple times. You could have noticed it and gotten out. But guys, be super careful when it comes to doing the correct math, taking off partials and taking off full profits if you're going to take some off at level 1. I hope this video helped you. I know it was short and sweet, but if it did, not only send it to a friend, but leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more trading content. If you want to trade live with me, I trade live Monday through Friday at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I host weekly call-ins and check-ins for Q&A, as well as weekly back testing sessions so we can review what we're doing and grow and take our trading to the next level. I'll see you guys in the next one.